What's going on YouTube? This is Jabber Tech. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the new Galaxy watch, and this is the 46mm edition. I had the 42mm edition, which I'll show you in this link that just popped up, as well as the description below. But we're going to go ahead and unbox this 46mm Bluetooth edition and see if there's anything different inside and check it out together. Sorry guys, had a little phone call. Let's go ahead and finish up this little unboxing and take a look at this together. There we go. And this is the new Galaxy watch. Really nice. But let's put this aside and see what we get inside the box here. Now we have two little packages, so let's take a look. We have a micro USB cable. We have tons of those lying around, and this is the new charging cradle. So you can see it has this indentation, and that's for the new heart rate monitor there. Let me just put that aside. Nothing else in the box. Let's open up this other side, and we get a quick start guide. We're definitely not going to look at that. Power cable, and then you also get this small edition of the watch band. So let me just put these away. I don't think I'm really going to need to use any of these except for the charging cradle, and I'm going to do a quick test at the end of this video as well to see if the old cradles work, just to see if you can use your old ones. Matter of fact, I happen to have one here. So this is the old style cradle from the Frontier and the Classic, and this is the new style. So you can kind of tell they're about the same, but you do have that indentation. 5 volt, 7 amps on both of them, so they're basically the same charger, just a little indentation here. So let's go ahead and quickly turn this on, see if we have any juice, and take a look at this thing together. Let's take a look at this while this turns on. So really a nice device. Wow, now Samsung makes some of the best screens, if not the best screens, and the screen on this watch looks absolutely beautiful so far, and this is just a startup screen. But let's just go ahead and take a look around the watch before we set it up. So you do notice that you have these two buttons. They have these grooves on the side here, so it really helps when you're touching the buttons here to just get a feel about them. Just makes it a little bit better. Now you do have your speaker is right here on the left-hand side. There's your heart rate monitor, and then there's your microphone. And this is a watch band. Now you all know I love watch bands. Take a look at my videos. I have some really nice watch bands, and I kind of like this new design. It kind of flows really nicely with the watch, but you know I'll be swapping these out for some different bands. But let me go ahead and get my phone, and let's pair this up. So let's go ahead and start the journey here. Pick the device. We're all set up and this is all done, so let's go ahead and take a look at this setup process together. Turn clockwise, go back. This is the back key. Very good, swipe down. And that's it. Setup process is really simple. Enjoy your watch, I definitely will. This is one of the new watch faces, and we have a few new ones here. Let me just cycle through it. That's not too new. This one's kind of new. I kind of like this one personally. Very classic and elegant. Let's see what else we have. Rings. This is a new one as well. This is My Day. Sporty Classic. So there's some really nice watch faces here, and I'm hoping they get pushed to the older devices as well. Fitness Coach. Let's take a look, see what else we have. And then that's basically it. That's been a quick unboxing, guys. I will have a full review coming soon of all the new features and whatnot, but so far I'm really digging this, and let me just show you what it looks like on the wrist. This is what it looks like on the wrist, and it definitely looks like a traditional watch. People really don't know this is a Samsung watch unless you know, but other than that, it's definitely a cool looking watch, and it doesn't get in the way. It's not bulky. It's just a really nicely designed watch. So let's check out wireless charging. and see if it works on the older one. Now this is the one from my Frontier. So if you do have a few of these, I know personally I bought a few of them, so I'd like to know if I can use it. And right away you can tell that it's charging. So super cool. I'm glad Samsung is letting us use these old chargers. Definitely a plus. I really appreciate that, Samsung. This has just been a quick unboxing, but I will have a full review coming very shortly, so make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Hit that bell icon so you know when it's first to go live, and you can watch it right away. But I appreciate you guys watching. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in another video.